Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to explain the Microsoft Excel tutorial. Alright, let's say I have some columns and I want to add all these numbers. Okay, let's say the A column, B column, and then A plus B column, A minus B column, A multiplication B with B, and then the last one A divide B. So I want to create the summary. I want to add all these number from the first column, this one, A plus B. All these number I want to add all in and then insert into this cell. How to add all these numbers? Alright, how to add the total from this column, C column, which is A plus B, this one. Yeah, okay, how to add all these number? Using the formula, we can start with equal, and then you can type it sum, which is the total or the summary for this column. You can start with the open bracket, and then this one, as you can see, there is a number 1 comma and then number 2, which is the number 1 is start the cell we want to add. Okay, it means C2. You can type it or you can click C2 cell, this one, click, and then continue by add the divide symbol, which is range. It means range from C2 until C. Okay, C5. You can click or you can type C5 and then close bracket and then press enter, and then you will get the result. This is the result. Okay, all right, for the next column you no need to add manually. You can copy the formula. You can point the pointer here at the corner. You can see the little square, this one at the edge, at the corner. Okay, and then you can see the pointer change into the black plus, which is we can copy the formula and generate with the new one. Drag it until the last column, and then ta-da, you get the result. Okay, this is the result for the total. So it's automatically count for each column. If we change one of them, let's say I want to change this one, and then the total will change automatically. Okay, all right, turn it back, and then let's continue with the average. Okay, we can merge it, and then for the average we can do exactly the same, only change the formula. Yeah, for the total we use sum, this one. For the average we use average, this one. And then you can click or you can press tab to continue, and then we can do select the number from C2 until C5, and then you can press enter. This is the average. Okay, and let's continue. We will find the maximum number and the minimum, so we must type it maximum and then minimum. Okay, and then merge and center. Alright, for the maximum we can use equal and then max, this one. Yeah, you can choose the first max and then drag it from C2 until C5, enter, and then you will get the data. This is the maximum. Is it correct? Yes, this is the maximum, 60. And for the minimum, using equal and then min, and then open bracket and then drag it from C2 until C5, and then you will get the result. And then for the rest you can select from average until minimum, and then you can click at the corner here. You can copy the formula to the rest, and then ta-da, you get the result. Alright, that is total, average, maximum, and minimum. The last one is count. Count how many number in this column. Okay, I will make it merge and center, and then count. You can use equal and then count and then open bracket, and then you can drag it from C2 until C5. It must be 4 for the result. Let's see, is it correct? Yes, it's correct. And then ta-da, you get the result. Alright, there you go. You get the total, average, maximum, minimum, and count. Hopefully this lesson will help you to count the calculation. Alright, maybe that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Bye bye.